Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to change drive icon on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly what you have to do, you just need to go to this website to convert your any image file to icon image. So for that you just need to click on the select file and select your JPEG or JPG or PNG file over here. So I will select JPG file, as you can see. Now click on convert to, I will choose here ICO, and after that convert. Now click on download. After download I will copy this to my desktop. Now what I'll do is I will open Rage Edit. For that I'll click on start or search menu, type over here Rage Edit. After that press enter or click on this Rage Editor app. Now click on yes. Now what you have to do, you just need to copy this location from my video description. So I will copy this location from my video description. After that I will paste it over here and press enter. After that I will right click on it and click on new, then click on key. I will put the key name, like I want to change this F drive icon image. So I will type over here, means I will change this folder name to F. And after that I will create another folder, right click on it, on your new folder, click on new, then key. So I will put over here DefaultIcon, default I in caps, D in caps, icon. So here it is, as you can see, DefaultIcon. Now on the right side you will get a default Rage Edit value over here. So right click on it or double click on it or right click and click on modify. Now you just need to put the value data. For that you just need to go to your desktop where you have saved your echo file, right click on it and click on copy as path. Now right click over here, click on paste. Now click on OK. After that you just need to go to your My Computer, and if you refresh this page, as you can see, it's showing this icon for this drive. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.